Welcome to Quick English Practice.
Hi, I am Jane.
Hi, I am Sarah.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Where are you from?
I'm from London.
How did you come here?
I came here by bus.
Am I looking good?
Yeah, you are looking great.
Sorry I will be late.
Okay, no problem.
When did you came here?
I came here last night.
How was your trip?
It was amazing.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where were you born?
I was born in the United States.
Can you help me?
Yeah, I would be happy to.
What do you do?
I am a doctor.
How do you go to your work?
I go by my car.
Can you drive?
Yeah, I can drive.
What is your hobby?
I love to listen to music.
Do you watch movies?
Yeah, I watch horror movies.
How is the weather outside?
It is snowing.
Do you like snow?
Yeah, I like snow.
Are you busy right now?
Yeah, a little bit.
What do you do in your free time?
I go outside.
What is your favorite food?
I love pizza.
Have you ever been to Switzerland?
Yeah, 2 times.
Can you speak English?
Yeah, but not very well.
What other languages can you speak?
I speak French.
How long have you been here?
About 10 years.
Can you cook?
Yeah, I can cook.
What do you cook?
I cook Chinese food.
Do you believe in God?
Yeah, I do.
Are you a vegetarian?
Yeah, I am a vegetarian.
Do you like cookies?
Yes, I like cookies.
Do you like tea?
No, I like coffee.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 o'clock.
What time do you go to your bed?
I go to my bed 9 o'clock.
Do you have pets?
Yeah, I love cats.
What is it in your hand?
It's a letter.
How did you get this job?
I applied online.
What happened?
I think I'm sick.
How do you know about this?
My mother told me once.
How much for this?
Only $15.
How long will you take to come?
I will be a little bit late.
Thanks for all your help.
It was my pleasure.
I feel dizzy.
Please sit down.
May I ask you something?
Sure, go ahead.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
May I use your phone?
Yeah, here it is.